Hi there. This is going to be a short video. I've had my MacBook Pro for a little over a year, and while it works great, the only issue I've been having is when I try to use my wireless keyboard and mouse through a USB dongle. And the issue I have is that the mouse, the cursor, is doing it right now. I'm moving the mouse, and the cursor is not moving at all. It intermittently just doesn't work. Sometimes the keyboard will just quit working, and it just makes it unusable. It's just so intermittent, and I've been looking for over a year for the solution to the problem, and I finally stumbled across something that worked for me. And apparently, when we use these hubs, they're USB 3, and the hub, I think, is interfering with the receiver for the keyboard. So the solution somebody had was to purchase a USB 2 just extension cable, and we'll hook this into there. Maybe. There we go. And then we'll hook this in, and this just gets the receiver further from the hub. And now my mouse just works flawlessly. I've been using this for a couple of days. I have not had it give me any grief at all. So this seems to be the fix to my problem. So for about $5 on Amazon, just go pick yourself up a little USB 2 extension, and that'll fix your lag with your wireless keyboard and mouse. So hopefully that works for you, and thanks for watching.